Okay, let's discuss mixer now. Mixer is something which is used for frequency translation of modulated signal. What I mean by frequency translation is shifting the value of frequency. Let's say you have a frequency of 5 hertz. How you gonna get 10 hertz? How you gonna get 1 hertz or something like this? Okay, so translation is translating frequencies to another value. Okay, so this is what mixer does. Okay, for modulated signal. Now how it gonna work? So let's say you have a DSB signal, DSB-SC. So it is made by product modulator with MT and AC cos 2 pi FCT. So you will have AC MT cos 2 pi FCT as DSB-SC T. Now this is your mixer. Okay, a multiplier and a band pass filter. So this DSB signal is multiplied with the local oscillator signal cos 2 pi FLT. Remember, this is FL and this is FC. So you will multiply DSB-SC signal with cos 2 pi FLT, and at the multiplier output you will get AC MT cos 2 pi FCT into cos 2 pi FLT. And let's say you have a message signal representing in Fourier domain like this. So DSB signal will look like this. It will shift to plus FC and minus FC. I am only showing positive frequency. This will be multiplier output. Now how the signal will gonna look like is, if you will see this signal, it is basically cos A cos B. So how it will look like, this signal will shift in frequency domain. We will see next. Okay, so depending upon the value of FC and FL, we will have two cases. First case is when FC is greater than FL. Second case we will deal later, which will be FL will be greater than FC. So first case we are dealing now. So if FC is greater than FL, the multiplier output will be AC MT divided by 2 cos 2 pi FC plus FLT plus AC MT divided by 2 cos 2 pi FC minus FLT. Okay, so this is how output of a multiplier will look like, and in a spectrum you can see this will look like this. So FC will be somewhere here, so it has been shifted to FC minus FL center frequency, and once the center frequency has been shifted to FC plus FL. So FC plus FL is this, FC minus FL is this. Okay, amplitude we don't have to bother about. Main is this frequencies. Okay, so now when this signal will go into the band pass filter, the band pass filter output will be either this part or either this part. Means center frequency will be FC minus FL or FC plus FL. So if you will have FC minus FL, you will say that is down conversion. Means FC has been down converted to FC minus FL, and here FC is up converted to FC plus FL. Okay, where FL is the local oscillator frequency and FC is your DSB SC signal frequency. Okay, so that is how you will look. You will get either of them. Okay, not both of them. Now let's look at the second case when FL is greater than FC. Now output will have AC, multiplier output will have AC MT divided by 2 cos 2 pi FL plus FC T plus AC MT divided by 2 cos 2 pi FL minus FC T. So there is a replacement. Previously it was FC plus FL and FC minus FL. Now it is FL plus FC and FL minus FC, since FL is greater than FC. So it will look like this, the spectrum, FL plus FC and FL minus FC centered. Okay, band pass filter output will be FL minus FC term or FL plus FC term. Okay, these are the center frequencies. Okay, so you can say now this is the down conversion, this is up conversion. So it is same as what we did in the first case. It is the matter which frequency is more. Okay, so generalizing these two case, we can say up conversion is when F1 plus F2 is there. Down conversion is when F1 minus F2 mod is there, because the only difference is either FL minus FC or FC minus FL. The difference will be same. The difference will be same, and the sign will be different only. Okay, so that is why you can say frequency cannot be negative, so that is why we have kept mod. Okay, that is how you see mixer output. Okay, now the best example of mixer where we can use is when we were generating WBFM from NBFM using frequency multiplier, which was our indirect method of generating an FM signal, which is also called as Armstrong method. So from there we were generating WBFM from a NBFM. Now the point is, we had a frequency multiplier value will be small n, and we had input FC, so at the output we were getting n into FC. But when we were using WBFM, our frequency was not NFC, it was at FC and then FC plus FM, FC plus 2FM, or FC minus FM, FC minus 2FM, likewise it goes. So you can translate this NFC frequency to FC by using a mixer. You give this signal to a mixer and it will generate a frequency which is FC now. Okay, so that is how you can translate the frequency. Let's say you had NFC equal to 1000 and your FC is 500 Hertz, then the mixer will take care, FL should be equal to 500, so that at output you will get 1000 minus 500, that is 500. So that's how you can think. So there we actually use I was saving this part of mixer for this moment so that I can give you an example on this. So that is how you can use mixer. Okay, now there is a note point I want to mention about mixer. A mixer affects only the central frequency of FM signal, whereas frequency multiplier affects FC del F beta of FM signal. Okay, so mixer will only affect the central frequency of FM, but frequency multiplier, as we have seen, it affects FC, beta, del F of FM signal, all three of them. For this to understand, let's take an example. You are applying a FM signal with FC is equal to 100 MHz and del F is equal to 5 MHz to the input of mixer, who's having local oscillator input of frequency 20 MHz. Now the output of mixer is going to a frequency multiplier of value n. At the output you are getting a S-FMT, again an FM signal with frequency, carrier frequency FC is equal to 160 MHz. So you have to find the value of n and del F. We will see how. Now let's look at the solution. Since you have FC value is 100 MHz and local oscillator frequency is 20 MHz, FC1 here, the frequency at the output of the mixer can be 120 MHz or 80 MHz. 120 by adding these two, 100 plus 20, that is 120 MHz, and 80 MHz by subtracting and taking the mod. So either you do 20 minus 100 or 100 minus 20. After the modulus you will get 80 MHz here. So either you can get 120 MHz or 80 MHz here. Del F will be same. Del F will not be changed by this mixer. It will only affect the central frequency of FM. So FC1, if FC1 is 80 MHz, what will happen when it will pass through a frequency multiplier? At the output you will have NFC, and your output S-FMT FC is given as 160 MHz. So that is why we can equate it to 160 MHz, and FC you know 80 MHz. So N will come out to be 2 here. Now this is when you will take FC1 is equal to 80 MHz. If you will have 120 MHz as FC1, at the output of this frequency multiplier you will have NFC, and if you will equate it with 160 MHz, you will get N equal to 4 by 3, which is not possible because N can only be integer values, okay, positive integer values. So that is why this case will be discarded, and we will take FC1 is equal to 80 MHz, from where we will get N equal to 2, which is what we got from down conversion. This is called down conversion frequency and this is up converted frequency. So we are considering down conversion because n is not integer in this case. So n is equal to 2 if you will take. Now del f, if it will go through frequency multiplier, it will become n into del f. Since you have calculated n from here is equal to 2, so you will get 2 into 5 megahertz, that comes out to be 10 megahertz, and this will be your answer for del f, and n is 2. Okay, so there are two things you can see how the band pass filter is neglecting the upper or down converted frequency. You can see based upon the value of n. And there is something, one more thing, your mixer is only affecting the central frequency of fn signal, that is fc, and not del f. The del f will not change at the input and the output of mixer. So this is the important point. Okay, so it only affects the central frequency. So this is your answer and this is your answer.